Welcome, dreamer. You've arrived at the quiet edge of night. Here, beside the silver river, the world is still and waiting. Let the day fall behind you now. There's nothing left to hold. Only this breath, only this calm. Feel your body begin to soften. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw release, your hands fall open and free. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Inhale once more, a little deeper now, and exhale slowly, fully. You are safe here. You are held by the dark velvet air, cool and light against your skin, like a river mist wrapping around you softly. There's nowhere you need to go. The river will carry you. Let your breath become quieter now. Each inhale smoother, each exhale longer. You're already beginning to drift. And just ahead, where the silver shore meets the water, a tiny paper boat is waiting, folded from moonlight and memory. It rocks gently on the surface, ready to carry you downriver into the dream. You step closer to the water's edge, the ground beneath your feet soft and silver lit. The river glows faintly in the moonlight, calm, slow moving, deep with quiet knowing. The little paper boat rests there, folded with perfect creases, its edges slightly curled from the night air. Its surface is patterned with symbols you don't recognize, but somehow you understand them. With the gentlest breath of wind, the boat shifts toward you, welcoming, waiting. You step inside. It holds your weight as if you were weightless. The boat is soft, yet steady, and as you settle, it begins to drift. The current is barely a whisper, but it carries you forward, leaving the silver shore behind. The river widens ahead, dark as glass. Moonlight pools on its surface, and you drift past low, overhanging branches where tiny silver moths rest like folded stars. You feel the hush of the world settle around you. The paper boat rocks gently with the rhythm of the water, and you begin to feel lighter with every breath, as if you too were made of paper and starlight. Then something moves in the water beside you. A glimmer, a ribbon of silver light beneath the surface, long and fluid. It curves beside your boat for a moment, then disappears. You sense no fear, only curiosity. Something ancient, gentle, is keeping you company. The boat floats on. You pass through a narrow channel lined with river stones, their tops glowing faintly like soft lanterns. Petals drift across the surface, and the trees above part slowly, as if bowing to your passage. You breathe in the coolness of the air and out into the quiet night. Ahead, the river bends, and just beyond, a warm glow awaits, where lilies float like lanterns in bloom. The boat glides forward, effortless, as though drawn by the hush of the river itself. Before you, the water blooms with soft, glowing lilies, each one a pale light, floating, swaying gently as your boat passes through. Some are the size of your palm, others open wide like lanterns, their centers shimmering with quiet golden fire. They cast gentle patterns on your face, on your hands resting loosely at your sides. You reach out, your fingers brushing a petal, cool and soft like silk. It doesn't resist. It simply sways and lets go of a single droplet of light, which drifts upward into the sky. Above you, branches arch high from either side of the riverbank. Tall reeds and slender trees with silver-veined leaves. They lean in, just enough to touch each other, weaving a quiet green cathedral over the water. In the hush, you notice it again, the soft ripple of movement in the water beside you. The silver koi. It swims just beneath the lilies, its long tail trailing behind like a ribbon of moonlight. Every movement is elegant, effortless, as though the river was made for it, or perhaps the koi made for the river. It doesn't look at you directly, but you sense that it sees you, knows you. It swims a little closer, then circles the boat once, before disappearing beneath a cluster of lilies that part briefly, then fold back together. You continue on. The paper boat barely makes a sound. You pass through narrow reed corridors, their stalks tall, their leaves brushing softly above your head like whispered lullabies. Fireflies rise from the reeds, slow and golden, their flickers reflecting off the river like scattered stars. Time begins to loosen its grip. You don't know how long you've been drifting. You don't need to. Up ahead, the river opens wide again, and something glows above the water, an arching bridge made of light, starlight. Your paper boat begins its approach. Your boat drifts beneath a starlight bridge, an arch of woven silver threads, humming gently as you pass below. Each strand glows faintly, as if it remembers every dream that's ever floated down this river. The air changes here, cooler, lighter, as though the sky has bent down to greet the water. You feel yourself drifting farther, not just across the river, but deeper into something soft and ancient. Mist begins to curl across the surface, not grey, but glowing, like the breath of 100 floating lanterns. The paper boat glides through it without sound. You're surrounded now by warm gold light, soft-edged and flickering, as if the river itself is remembering someone you once were. And just ahead, the silver koi returns. But this time, it shines. Its scales catch the lantern light, casting ripple patterns that dance across your boat. Its long fins move slowly, rhythmically, each motion calming, certain, as if it knows the way through this mist. It doesn't speak. It doesn't need to. You simply follow. Together, you pass through drifting curtains of light, each one parting for your boat like the folds of a dream. You see shapes inside the mist, floating trees with paper leaves, quiet staircases rising from the water and vanishing into the sky, doorways with no walls, just frames waiting. The koi leads you forward, sometimes above the water, sometimes just beneath it, always shimmering, always just ahead. You feel your body relax further, as though you're beginning to dissolve into the current. There is no effort, no fear, only this drift, this light, this hush. You pass under another starlit bridge, this one broken in the middle, its pieces held aloft by nothing at all. The koi passes beneath it, and you follow. The mist begins to thin. The stars return overhead, and the river grows even quieter. You are almost at the edge now, the place where dreams begin. The river is wide and silent now, still as glass, dark as velvet. Your paper boat moves slowly, as if floating through the space between stars. The silver koi swims beside you one last time, just beneath the surface, glowing faintly in the dark. Its light dims gently, and as you watch, it disappears into the depths, leaving a trail of silver bubbles that rise, then fade. You are alone now, but not lonely. The river holds you, the stars drift above, and your breath is calm and soft. You don't need to steer. You don't need to know where you're going. You're already there, already dreaming. The boat grows quieter beneath you, less solid, more like memory or light. The world around you fades into softness. Water becomes air, air becomes night, and you become still. You are floating, not on the river anymore, but through your own quiet dreaming. There is nothing more to do. You are safe. You are drifting. You are